Hi, in last video we have seen how we can find the min and max number in the list, and in the same video we have seen how we can reverse the list. And in this video we are going to see how we can write a program to find the common item in two lists. There is a two way we can solve this particular problem statement. So let's see one by one. So before going to start, please like and subscribe my channel. So let's start. So for example, we have a two list 1 and list 2, and we need to find the common number. So here you can see 4 and 5 is the common number which is present in both the list. So basically we need to print the common number. So let's see how we can do. For each element in the list 1. So for each element in the list 1, what I need to do, if that element in list 2, simply I need to print that one. See, let me run. See, 4 and 5. So from here only you can see 4 and 5 was the common thing in both the list. So this is the one of the most easiest way, like how we can find the common element in the two different lists. There is a one more way. Let me show you that one also. But the problem is that in that way we have to use the set concept, and time being I have not explained you what is the set. So don't worry, we will see after completing this list. We will start set only. So let's see. You will get little bit how you can do. So how you can do, let me tell you. For example, take one variable. I'm taking C underscore list, which is basically nothing but I'm going to store the common element in this particular variable or this. So what I want to do, see, in the set there is a concept like set support like operation like and, or, not, or, this kind of operation supported by the set. So, and we know and is nothing but this intersection operation is nothing but going to be written common element. So let's see how we can do. For example, first I'm going to convert set this list 1 into set. After that I'm going to perform intersection operation for that, and then again I'm going to convert this second list also in set. See, this set is using to convert this list into the set, and the same thing also we are doing here. And here I'm using the AND operator, and AND is nothing but the intersection operator which is going to return the common element. And at last I want to store in the C underscore list. After that I want to print that one. And let me run. See, 4, 5. So this is how we can write a program to find the common item in the two list. So I hope you getting this problem, how we can solve this one. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.